Ever wonder what that satisfying pop is? Let's get to the bottom of this common habit with some lighthearted science. That distinctive popping sound? It's simply tiny gas bubbles, like nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide, in your joint fluid collapsing. It's a completely natural, harmless phenomenon. For generations, the myth persisted: cracking knuckles leads to arthritis. Good news, decades of research, including studies on people who crack their knuckles daily, show absolutely no link to joint damage or arthritis. Phew, your joints are safe. While it might annoy your friends or family, it's harmless to you, so relax. Your joints are fine. This is a public service announcement for your peace of mind. Share this myth-busting info. Let's spread the truth and ease some minds. Your joints are just having a little bubbly moment.